Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this side braided curly wig. This is how it looks, and then I haven't sewn a band on it yet. I'll do that. But if you get this wig and you feel like maybe the band is loose or you don't feel like it fits well, just take this strap on the side and then insert it in that loop and this other one there, and make sure it's not too tight. Let me just try it on and comment down below if you love the style and if you love the color as well. This is color 230. And then arrange the braids on your forehead. So if you don't want the hair on your face, you can just use clips and pin the hair on the side like that. And then I advise to just finger comb it or shake the hair instead of using a brush on it. So for the oil that you can use olive oil or you can use baby love. So let me just try and put it away from my face. Just take the pin and do that so that it stays away from your face. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. So if you want it in any other color, a different color, plain black, color 133, that is black mixed with some brown, just let me know if you don't like it in this brighter color. So what do you think, guys? Do you love the style? Do you love the color? This is color 133. As you can see, it's darker. Guys, if you want this wig, I'll leave my website link in the description box down below, or my WhatsApp number. You can contact me and I'll send you this wig or any other of my wigs. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this style. If you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.